Uba adan basay moy Presiden jaka sang Voice of the People Party ula penamjur jaka jing jaga bala jahatura haka arp saw tarik mata ubnai haka bagladan kajing tubu man penmasa bat wat ban sim jaka jing jong beti rang ba. Unoilam ka VVP ula ong ba wala da ki pai ba ki bitar ka nuru ya ka sarkar ni yo nuru nei kam depat adu an ki man sim ka jing embryo bat wanora ya ka jing klumar ka bakta ya ka sokasan. Halo ka jing ong dong DGP ka jela bakani ka jing jaga ka bla temu ni ka bla pran lupa Uba adan ula peramjur jiki Pulit ula ong bakari kajing pulom baka Jingbymler ka jongki nomor kemnu kemi jing tip apakah adan jing temu ka batla pran lupa ka bakum kani ula ong bakani kadi ka Jingbymler jaka tanah sentiat jiki Pulit baka bu jingma yiki nong ilam haka bedipat baka jing Pynmih Kyrteng ki jong Pulit yiki tu ki basyakam da ka ba ai bat ka parti ka bakidon uba adan ula ong bakani ka jingle kalong ka bakla hadu kata-kata.
Let me tell you that it is very unfortunate that such incident happened, and especially against the Chief Minister of the state. It should not have happened in the first instance. And no matter how agitated you are, but I don't think it is right on the part of the agitators or the protesters to resort to such an extreme steps where it may cause harm to the Chief Minister. As far as that issue is concerned, it is the duty of the police, to investigate, to ascertain the causes of the attack. But looking from the media, I don't think it is right on our part to appreciate such incident. We have to condemn it outrightly that we should not encourage our youths or people, to resort to violence. I don't know. I fail to understand what is all about, because what we feel that if the people protest, they protest as public, When we raise the issue, though we raise as a political party, but the people who participated in the protest or in the agitation, they are not coming, in the name of the party organization. So I don't know in what way that the police department drawn to a conclusion that these agitators belongs to certain political parties. I don't have anything to say on that. I think without any doubt, I can say that there was a lapses on the part of the police department. They must have gathered information that the mob, are preparing to attack the Chief Minister, especially after having heard a statement given by the DGP that it was a pre-planned, organized, all these kind of things to resort to such a step. So obviously it was a lapse on the parts. They should have prevented, they should have reinforced the police personnel not to allow the mob, to get that opportunity to create such incidents.